Hey, Rob here for Quadratec out in Moab, Utah for Easter Jeep Safari 2024, checking out 4 brand new concepts. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel for my full walk around of each of these concepts. Of course, you can head over to quadratec.com and check out the Torque blog for more information about all of them as well. Right now, I'm behind the wheel of the Willys Dispatch concept. Now, the overall theme that we're seeing this year from the concepts has to be this throwback to Jeeps of the past, a look at Jeep's heritage, and I absolutely love it. It's a great blend of new and old with this kind of throwback color, the look of the old CJ5s with the two-tone with the black windshield frame and the bright colors that really catch your eye, paired with a 4xe drivetrain. So yep, we're in a 4xe, a hybrid. I can go ahead and switch us over to electric mode if I want, out of hybrid mode. I love that blend of technology. But let's talk about some of the changes that Jeep did on this concept to give it that classic look. Up front, we've got a worn 8274 winch mounted on a custom C-channel front bumper. There's also one out back in the rear. I know where we've seen some C-channel bumpers before on our own YJL vehicle. So I love that design. Clean, simple, throwback to the past. Even down the side, as you look at the vehicle, you've got those classic steel wheels paired with those super tall, super lug, skinny, non-directional tires. Definitely a throwback to Willys of the past. On the side, we've got that great wood emblem there, calling back the history in place of a standard trail-rated badge. And then as we move into the interior here, of course, it had to have half doors because the Jeeps of the past, you were lucky if they even had doors for that matter. We've got this awesome houndstooth design on the dash and on the seats with this great distressed leather. And of course, no headrests here with the classic low back seats. Really takes you back here. Out in the back, in the cargo area, well, there's a fuel can back there, but of course this is a 4xe. What do we need that fuel can for? Well, it's got some high test stuff in it for maybe the end of the trail day. Open it up, revealing a nice little cocktail set in there and fold down table on the tailgate. And then we see, some new stuff from some of the Jeep Performance parts. We've got the in-tailgate air compressor built right there in the back. Of course, we've got this great sunshade over our heads as well. And, the concepts are all about the Easter eggs. And I love some of the stickers that are on here of Roswell, New Mexico, and the aliens. And you know what? If you look down in the corner of the windshield, there's even a little flying saucer beaming up the Willys that is found down there in the passenger side corner. A lot to love about the Willys Dispatch concept. Definitely a contender for my favorite this year, that's for sure. I have to call out this great little Gumby here on the dashboard as well, kind of waving at us as we cruise along. Again, just lots of callbacks to the past, blending it with the new and old. If you guys want to find more information about the concepts right here from Easter Jeep Safari, make sure you head over to quadratec.com, check out the Torque blog, follow us along on all of our social media channels, and of course, if you like these videos, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel. We've got some more concepts to check out.